I gotta go fast. Here's this cereal thing I make. This is Greek yogurt. You take your Greek yogurt, give it a little bit. Okay, put a couple of those in there. 2, 3 of those in there. So keep that down. It doesn't have plastic on the top. I hope it'll be okay. So you put your Greek yogurt in there. Then you go with a little bit of salt. And we'll throw some regular fiber in there. And then we get the delicious fiber one. Isn't great. Horse food. Put that in there. Oops, almost forgot. For that honey, we had to put in the honey and I forgot it, but I pre-turned my bear so that he would be full. But this honey usually goes on top of the yogurt. So this usually goes on top of the yogurt. Have a little bit of cereal and honey. There, then you put the cereal in. About a 3/4 of the way like that. And just water and everything. Just water. Pour water until it floats. Take your delicious non-dairy creamer of choice. That turns it into a very, I only had that much left, very tasty cereal yogurt drink that I eat. It's pretty good, that you might want to try. That's it. You just eat it from the bottom up like regular yogurt. Give it a whirl. See you next time.